The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless entry, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless start, aluminum wheels, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, fog lamps, MP3 player, convenience package, including intelligent key keyless entry. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.